Welcome back. Today we are at my parents' place and I've got the Grom and we're gonna go do Grom stuff here and you'll see what that means. So stay tuned. Okay. All right, back in the saddle again.
Okay, so this is the second Grom video I'm trying to record this week. It is Friday, and I didn't put out a video this week, which now is the next week if you're seeing this. I had a funeral to go to, so that was today. But I brought the Grom down to my parents' place because they have family coming in, and they're here, and I wanted to show you the love of all things Grom. Alright, hold on a second. So, some of you that are newer to my channel definitely wouldn't know this, but I really started my channel up here before I moved up to Michigan. I started as a dirt biking channel with intent of starting street riding eventually, but I don't remember the exact mileage. It might be like a mile or just a little over a mile of trail that I cut in. And this is just like kind of the transfer section, so nothing like too terribly wooded. Yeah, I'm over earlier today and tried to clean up these transfer sections because these are easy. Pretty much anybody can ride this shit. Oh geez, how do I remember how to ride motorcycles? I keep short shifting first and second. Why? I don't know. I do this. Ooh, that's thorns. I am wearing helmet gloves. I am being a bad boy though, and I'm wearing shorts and shoes. Not the brightest thing you could be doing, but it's Grom. You have to be a little bit hooligan. Grom. So normally my fucking show goes over that way, but I'm gonna cut over this way, take you all around town. Over this field section. Oh, keep hitting. It's not super smooth. I know it. Maybe I'm sure in GoPro it looks like super smooth, super flat. But Grom suspension just ain't made for this. Me, 300 pounds of me. Little Grom. Other things to be doing like riding, because this is I would consider this more of a street oriented. When you go to ride that street oriented like off road, you really don't want to touch your front brake. If you know what you're doing, you can. But if you're new to it and you're like really nervous, just use your rear brake, man, and anticipate taking a little bit longer to slow down. Those are just my thoughts. So we're out here getting up on the ground. I used to have a trail that went over kind of in here too, but yeah, most of my fun trail is all going in. And since I don't live down here, I don't spend much time down here to keep it maintained. Yeah, this is kind of a little where we started when we first started going off road. So we just kind of made a lap there, if you will. But I'll show you. I'll show you other reference points. So, sure, do the backyard again. So, my real, like, kind of like trailhead, if you will, into the woods, that's kind of one of them right there. I don't even know if the camera caught it, but the other one would be in here. And this section was many hours of chainsawing and weed whacking and brush trimming and drinking beer and burning brush piles. Yes, in the woods, I know, very carefully though, drinking beer. That was a few years ago at this point, but yeah, a lot of this, as you can see, it's pretty well grown in. If I was on a dirt bike and I had my full gear on and pants, and we could explore, but I bet you there's a bunch of down trees and stuff that you probably, you know, you really wouldn't want to be riding through on the ground in shorts. So, whatever. Yes, Grom. So I've got other things. Other things I want to do for the Grom. Super cool secret surprise thing that I hooked up. Boy, I got me to hook up on a new cool thing in the Grom potentially. We don't know if it's gonna fit. Maybe if on this video is coming out, I'll have shot another piece of footage related to this. I can tag on later in the video, and if not, then it'll come in a future video. But yes, got Grom stuff. Project, but we do have like a lot of things I want to do with this. I did bring, while I'm down here, I did bring a set of, for those of you that maybe remember when I first got the Grom, I bought a bunch of stuff, and one of the things I bought was a set of knobby tires for it. I do want this thing to be more like a adventure Grom. That's why I got the bug busters on there. I got smaller turn signals from AST, so that way they don't get caught on shit. And I've got replacement for the rear as well. Sure. Big lab. Holy shit. That section right there, the suspension on the Grom is not made for that at all. Yes. You could go round and round and round all the way along to your heart's content. Oh, there's actually one more section I didn't coming out. We're almost coming up to now. Another wooded sort of tandem section I think. Breaking there. That's from the dirt bike. But yes, I've got another trail, more of a mini trail that cuts in. Yeah, down in here, and you probably can't even tell, but yeah, like pretty much straight that way it goes down. Maybe in the fall, if I've got a wild hair at my ass, I'll come out here and Dad's got a, what they call it, a combi. It's kind of like a weed whacker. You can throw different attachments on. One of them is essentially a brush trimmer. It makes cleaning those trails really, not easy, but it makes it easier. Anyways, so yes, I'm out enjoying my Grom. I'm gonna go share the love of my Grom with my family once they get here if they want to ride it, because why not? Maybe I'll even teach people how to ride a motorcycle, because, you know, if this is just a mini motorcycle, it's got a clutch. I don't know. Yeah, I guess real quick moment of appreciation, and I think I went in much more depth in the video I tried to record, but I forgot to turn my GoPro on, or something weird happened there, and I lost the footage, I guess. Yes, with the passing of the family member, and there's actually been a passing of several family members, and even a family pet, my grandparents. Like, so a lot of that happened recently. What was that? I think I just got a rock up in the disc rotor, maybe. That didn't sound good at all. Yes, I was trying to say I'm muchos appreciative of everybody who reached out, because I was like, hey, I'm not making a video, and y'all were like, hey, you alright? And I'm like, no, but and they're like, yes, but like, I don't know, I put my mental health first, and this channel is a hobby, and if it's not, I don't know, I can't put that above, like, I can't put making content above just like trying to be happy, I don't know, or at least be not sad. So, being with family, doing family stuff, it's part of the whole thing. Yeah, it sucks not to make a video, but there's more like this coming. I don't know. I don't even know how long I've been recording. Might just be rambling at this point. Adventure Grom. Woo. So my other trail, I think I might have already pointed it out, but maybe not. It runs all along the interior on my left-hand side here as we're going in, but there's a cut in an inlet. So this is more of a turnaround right now, but usually there's a trail. You go that way and then swing left, and it kind of goes around, and then it connects through here. And I'm going to show you. Oh, I'm going to show you me stalling it. So yeah, all along the right side here, it follows along. There's a pond. I don't know if you caught that in the video. It follows along the pond. There's some log hops and all that stuff, because it's a dirt biking trail. When it's grown in like this, it's not really a dirt biking trail anymore. So that comes along here. That's through this little bush area and then pops out right here. The deer have been keeping it open for me, actually. I don't know. I don't even know if y'all care, but I put a lot of time and effort into that, and I'm having fun with it when I can. But I am enjoying the shit out of this Grom. So I hope y'all like the Grom content. I'm trying to spread the love of the Grom and spread the love of the juice, baby. Keep it juice. No, I'm not. I guess we could wrap it up, but yeah. Thank you all for joining today's video. Maybe we finish on a rev bomb here. Hold on. Garage rev bomb, maybe, or a burnout. Ooh. And maybe, I already tried this yesterday, admittedly. She just wants to hook too good, man. Alright, take it easy. Keep it juice, baby.